Today I'm here in Kokomo, Indiana. This is where they have a lot of cornfields, acres and acres of cornfield, and they have lots of soybean and tomato. And this is where you have all the corns. Lots of corn, acres and acres of cornfield. As far as you can look. Acres and acres of cornfield. And I'm gonna go get a little closer to the corn, where you can see how they plant the corn in rows and rows of corn. I remember growing up in Jamaica as a child. We have to use the hoe and dig the corn, dig the hole and drop the corn inside of it. We dig the hole and we put the corn inside of it, and then we take our feet and cover it. But this is done by machines. I wish if some of those property they have in Jamaica, government property, the government would plant some of these corns and peas, especially corn and red peas. And we need that in Jamaica. At least they have job for the young people, you know. Young and middle-aged people would have jobs if they would have fields like this. And they have soya bean here.
So this is the soybeans.
Oh, this is soya beans.
Yes.
Acres and acres of soya beans.
Yep. We own half of that field that goes back.
Okay.
And then somebody else owns the other half on the other side of the road.
All right.
Mowed down, but it's growing. Oh. It's going to be a sticky bush, but it should. Okay, yep, that's as far as we're going to get.
Okay.
We used to have a pond down here.
Yeah?
Yes, there is a pond.
Oh, there's a pond down here.
Yeah, we just can't get to it yet because there's lots of big logs up here.
Okay.
So, watch out, Lila. I gotta
Turn
around.
You have to turn around.
Yep. So you can kind of see the hole where the
where the pond is.
That's where we have the lake, the old lake. But the stones that.
Lila, I think you're gonna have to hop off for a second until I can.
Trying to move.
Yeah, stand over there because I need space. I got to keep turning this. Get down off of the golf cart.
I can't.
Oh, you want a space to turn it? You want me to get off?
No.
Okay.
I got to keep turning where she's sitting.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to go up here. Okay, stand up.
And now you can reverse.
Yep.
Oh, we have to watch out for the dog.
Are we stuck?
No, we're good. We just have to watch out for the dog.
I know how to watch the weeds.
Okay, get back over here. Yep, we need to get the... We need to mow this down and all.
Yeah.
I can see light. Gigi, I can see light.
Yeah. Okay, there's a sticker bush, but I think we're going to go over
We can go over it, yeah.
Hey, that's where we used to have cows.
Yep.
But now that they all are dying.
Oh, you had cows?
Yeah, we
Oh,
had.
years ago.
Wow.
Oh, she never did. Greg used to have goats back here. That was when Donna, I think when you guys visited, we still had goats.
Yeah.
Remember, Greg used to tell Donna not to cook his goats.
Right, because that's my favorite meat, you know, goat. Oh yeah, we eat goat in Jamaica.
I know that.
Yeah, but you don't eat it here, right?
Not really, but he makes goat jerky out of it. Like like beef jerky.
Beef jerky, yeah.
Everybody loves it, but
Oh.
I don't want to eat it.
Oh.
Daisy gets her exercise this way.
We are back. Here we go. Hey.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. There we go. We are back. I got some corn from the field, some tomato and peppers. So I'm going to make the sauce right now. Angie's going to prepare the sauce for us. This is a good way to preserve your tomato. In America, this is how we preserve our tomato for the winter season. We plant it in the summer and then we reap it and preserve it for the winter season. So now I'm going to give you all the ingredients that we put in it. We put canning salt, yellow onion, red onion, banana pepper, jalapeno pepper, and we add water. I thought you had to put vinegar to preserve it. But no vinegar in this one.
When I do salsa, I'll put vinegar in it.
Okay.
I never do this one. Guess I never really. It's not too.
So what? You say the sealing of it preserve it.
Yeah, and canning salt.
And you put salt too?
Yep, canning salt.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Angie, this is smelling up the place, looking all delicious. I will make some spaghetti and mince meat later. So she's adding. No, you don't have to say anything. Just put it in. I'd say what it's in when. I take the voice.
Peppers and onions.
Right.
Turn it down. It's gonna burn on the bottom.
Angie's cutting up some more onions and peppers.
The other way. You can see.
Yeah, the pepper is going in so they can see. That's just peppers and onion. Right. And that's any special pepper or just?
Mainly I use banana peppers and jalapeno.
Okay.
And I put some poblano in this time.
Okay.
Yep. It really needs more onion.
Right.
You have to.
But you have a lot of bottles for that? You buy big bottles?
Both.
Okay.
I usually do the quart size.
The quart.
When we do chili and stuff,
Right.
we use the bigger more than we use the small ones.
Yeah.
Well, more onion.
Onions.
Go this way.
Yeah. They're just telling what I'm adding into it, yeah. Right.
And I've made Bloody Mary mix. I think I'm going to try to do some of that.
Okay. More videos to come. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.